Hello friends, welcome to a new video of creating organization model in Tibco BPM 4.x. Organization model is a structure of an organization. It has various elements such as entities, their attributes and relationships between them. Let's begin. Go to File, select New. You can develop various types of projects. Today we will be developing an organization project. So select Organization Project. Give a project name. I am giving test organization model. The ID is any unique name of your organization. Then click on next. Because we selected organization project, only the box next to organization model is checked. Click on next. A default model will be created with this name inside this folder. Click on finish. Expand the project. You can see that a default organization also gets created. You can create multiple organizations. Let's go to the default organization model and start building its elements. You can see various nodes to choose from. Firstly, let's create an organization unit. An org unit represents resources that are associated together because they fulfill a business need. Org unit can be a project or a location or something like that. I have created an org unit named school. Org units can have positions. Positions represent responsibilities within an organization. They are not the actual people. For example, a school can have the role of a principal. You can map multiple positions to a single org unit. I'm creating a second position and I'm renaming it to the founder. We will map the actual people later. This is just a position. Now I'm creating another org unit named as Science Department. I will add a position to it named as Science Trainer. You can add multiple positions and multiple org units inside an organization. Now you can see that org units are created. But how are they related to each other? For that, the studio has given you two options. There can be either a hierarchy between them or just an association. An hierarchy is used when one department falls under another department. For example, the science department is under the school. In the same way, maths department also falls under school. You can create any number of departments and any number of hierarchies. Next relation type is association. Association is used when we want to show any non-hierarchical relationship. For example, here I have created one tuition. It is related to school, but it is not under school. Next term is groups. Groups define the work that a particular group of users are capable of doing. They provide a functional view of the organization. For example, we can create a group named as trainers. There can also be hierarchies between the groups. Next term is capabilities. Capabilities are the abilities, basically what a user is capable of doing. When we create a capability and assign it to a position, we basically define the entry criteria that a person must have to be a part of this position. Here I've created one capability with the name degree. I'm assigning it to the position of science trainer. Capabilities can be assigned to either positions or groups. Now we have created a capability called as degree. So we need to ensure that while mapping during runtime, a person has this capability so that he can be a part of this group or the position. Capabilities can be enhanced using a qualifier. Next is privileges. Privileges represent authorities, what a user is authorized to do. We can create the privileges in the same way as we created the capabilities. Create a new privilege, name it. I'm naming it as approve payments. This privilege will basically enable the user to approve the payments. Privileges can be assigned to groups, org units, or positions. Unlike capabilities, privileges are inherited. You do not need to have them before. In our case, I'm assigning the clerk the privilege to approve payments. Privileges can also have qualifiers. To add a qualifier, check the box has qualifier. The qualifier should be named. I'm naming it as approve payments up to. So the clerk can approve payments up to a specific number. For example, it can be 500. So I've created this privilege with a qualifier, and the qualifier can have different values for different positions. I'm assigning the same privilege to the manager but with a different qualifier value. Finally, our org model is ready with all the privileges and capabilities.